Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete messages on Messenger. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Messenger. So let's suppose you want to delete an entire conversation. You simply need to hold that, and here you can see delete. Click on that and click on delete. So you can see that entire conversation is deleted. Let's suppose you want to delete a specific message. So you simply need to hold that, click on more, and here you can see different options. You simply need to click on remove, and here you can see two option unsend, remove for you. So if you want to remove for you simply need to click here, and but if you want to unsend you simply need to click here. So this is the process by which you can delete messages on Messenger. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.